Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can extract files with WinRAR. So in here, I've prepared a couple of files to use as an example. Let's try the first one, which is RAR here. The .rar extension is by WinRAR themselves. So this is an extension especially made for WinRAR. To extract it, you can do a couple of things. For example, you can double click it. And when you double click it, you'll view the content of the compressed files. And if you want to extract it, you can just highlight the files you want to extract and then drag and drop to your current folder here. Drag and drop and it'll extract it like this, right? You'll see that I have a couple of logos here that I have. Another method you can do to extract is by right-clicking, going to WinRAR, clicking on extract here. Wait for it to extract, and there you go. Same thing, it also extracted. Now, there's also another file extension here, for example, 7C. So 7C is an extension by 7-zip. It's another decompressor like WinRAR. I think WinRAR can also extract this. So let's go to WinRAR. Let's click on extract here. And there you go. Same thing, you can extract. But you might come across a couple of files with passwords, right? So for example, here, zip. But let's try WinRAR, extract here. You can see there's a password for it. So if you come across a couple of compressed files, you might encounter one with a password. And if there is a password, if you got this from a friend, then ask them the password. If you got this online, find the password. Maybe it's in the description or in the comments. But either way, I know the password. It's 123. Click on OK. And then now you have extracted your WinRAR file like this. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.